Assalamualaikum class 6.
Assalamualaikum class 6. Today's topic is letter writing. Your communication. Okay, you can communicate uh, to your family members, to your relatives who live far away or who live at a distance. So the definition of letter is that letter is a way to communicate. There are two kinds of letters, informal letter and formal letter. Difference between informal and formal letter is that their letter format is different, tone of writing is different, language is different. Because informal letter, which you can write to your friends, family members, or relatives, its tone and language will be informal, language will be different in this letter. For example, if you are writing letter to your friend or relative, you can use this word dear before it. Written to her, then its tone or language will be formal. For example, you cannot write dear sir or madam. Respected is most appropriate word for formal letters. Okay. So I told you about letter. What is a letter? It is a way of communication. If someone is living at a distance place, then we can talk to him or her, or we can talk to them through letter. So it is a way of communication. You can communicate to other people or persons. And then kinds of letters. How many different kinds of letters are there? Informal letter and formal letter. The difference between these two is letter format is different, tone of writing is different, and language is different. Informal letter is written to friends, family members, or relatives. Its language is informal. For example, you can write dear friend or cousin, but you cannot write dear sir or madam. The most appropriate word will be respected. Okay, so it is written in formal letters. When you use this word respected, that is written in formal letters. It's to authorities because you are using these words na sir or madam. So these are the words which are used for some for any authoritative person. Okay, today you are going to write a friendly letter. You have to write a letter to your friend. For writing a friendly letter, first of all, you must know about parts of letter. Number one, address, and number two, date. Somewhere it is called heading, address and date. Somewhere it is called heading, then it becomes 5 parts of letter. But here there are 6 parts of letter: address, number 2, date, salutation is greeting. Okay, and body, write your mess or give details, whatever you want to say, whatever you want to write. And then closing, when you write your friend, yours truly, yours sincerely, that will be closing. And when you write your name, that will be signature. Okay. Okay, students, please let me know if you have got it. I'm going to ask you, what did I tell? Zainab. Zainab, unmute your mic. I will ask a few questions from you. Okay. Who is here with the name of Umar Noor Shamsi? Please unmute your mic. I will ask a few questions from you. And who is here with the name of Hussain Shahbaz? Please unmute your mic. Zainab, please unmute your mic. I want to ask a few questions from you. Okay, Zainab. Zainab, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, Zainab, what did I tell? What is a letter?
लेटर लेटर 6 parts में है. First
Okay,
address, second date.
fine. I'm asking about definition of letter. For what
Definition of
purpose we
letter.
write? Yes, for what purpose we write letter? Why do we write letter? What is the purpose for writing a letter?
When there are no phones, people contact with letters far
Good.
away.
So, letter is a way of communication. We communicate with other person or people. Is it Sona? Letter is a way of. Can you please tell me about kinds of letter?
Formal letter,
Okay,
formal
good.
letter and informal letter.
And very good. So, what is the difference between these two? Formal letter and informal letter. What is the difference between?
Formal letter, we write for authorities, and informal letter we
Hmm?
write for friends, families.
Okay. Is the language of both letters different or not?
Different.
Formal or informal?
Yes.
Good.
Informal we
Tone
use
or okay,
dear,
thank you.
and formal we use
Okay,
respected.
good, fine. And next, I told about 6 parts of letter. Can you please repeat 6 parts of letter?
Yes. Address, date, salutation, body, message detail, closing, and
Salutation,
signature.
greeting.
Course.
Okay.
Greeting.
Salutation is actually this one, dear friend or cousin. Okay, fine. Zainab, thank you. Okay, six part of letters. Address. Please mute your mic now. Zainab, mute your mic. Address, date, salutation, greeting, as it is written here in this slide. Dear friend or cousin, respected sir or madam. So these are called greeting or salutation. Then body, main message, closing, when you write yours truly, yours sincerely, etc. And then signature when you write your name. Okay. So it's very easy. You have to write a letter to your friend asking him or her how did he or she spend summer holidays and tell how you spent your summer holidays. Okay. So this is the topic. You have to write a letter to your friend. You will ask him or her how did he or she spend summer holidays, and you will also tell how did you spend your summer holidays. For example, you can start from here. You will start from address, examination hall, city ABC, and then you will write their date, examination hall, city ABC. Instead of writing your address, you will be writing here examination hall or city ABC. Then you will write date. Then you will greet here, dear friend or cousin, because this is informal letter. Okay, this is informal letter which you have to write to your friend. Yes, in fourth part. What will be written in fourth part? You will start from here. In fourth part, you will start from here. I hope that everything will be good at your end. You can also write that how you spent your summer season. You will say that summer season is at its peak. Weather is too hot in these days, but sometimes it is moderate only when it rains. You will also tell that how do you avoid this hot weather. So you can say that last week my family and I visited nearest resort to avoid the heat of summer. There were lush green trees. We also took water slides. We enjoyed a lot there. Then you can further tell in this letter that why I like summer season, because there is great variety of fruits in this season. And in next paragraph, then there will be two paragraphs, because two things are being asked in this letter. How did you spend your summer holidays, and how did your and you are also asking your friend how did he or she spend summer holidays. So there will be two paragraphs of it. And now in second paragraph, in first paragraph, you will tell about your summer holidays in from your friend. How did he or she spend summer holidays? You can start like this. Now you tell me, how has your summer been? Not too hot, I hope. Did you get to visit your grandparents in village? Or did you go on your trip to Islamabad or Murray, or you can write name of any other place of northern area? as your father and mother, and then you will ask your friend, do write about your summer holidays. I'm looking forward to see you soon. There is lots of news to catch up on. And then you will end this letter. That will be closing, yours sincerely, yours truly, and then you will write your name. Okay? So it's very easy. Definition of letter, kinds of letter, 6 parts of letter, and then topic of letter. And there are 2 things are being asked. So 2 paragraphs will be there. In first paragraph, you will tell your friend how did you spend your summer holidays, and in second paragraph you will ask your friend how did he or she spend summer holidays. All right, so you have to write this letter. I have told you a few points of it, that which kind of sentences you can use while writing this informal letter. Okay, if you want to know about the details, which points did I tell, then you can watch this video on YouTube and listen to it. Okay. Thank you, class 6. Allah Hafiz.